Take a moment to check out the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 110,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, power driver seat, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.